What's up, guys? Let's do a short video of checking out this old Freightliner. Possibly an FLD, I'm thinking. Maybe a classic. Kind of looks like a lane on FSC Trucking's channel. It's a little bit different. Thing's probably been sitting here for a long time. Ooh, that's a sticker bush. That one hurts through the pants. Dirty girl. Been here for a long time. Got some new brake chambers on it. Missing the whole step assembly on this side. I wonder if the door opens. Nope. Look inside there. Looks like this old girl's had a rough life. Ooh, yeah. Throttle pedals all peeled up. So this truck is probably, bottom of the cab's probably all rotted out. It's got a big bunk on it though. Just a cool old truck, what people used to drive back in the day. Door don't even close. Let's see if we can get this hood open, guys. Well, it's opening. Is it gonna fall on us or no? It's got safeties on it. Got an old cat in it. That's a big boy. $34.06 right there. $14.6 liter. Cool old truck. Ain't worth nothing probably, but it's cool to take a gander. I ain't got no filler on the oil, no cap. Should have drove around at some point. Would definitely be cool to try to get it to run. But I mean, as far as that, what else are we really gonna do with this thing? I doubt anybody really needs parts for something like this. And I don't even know who owns it. Just out here being nosy and snooping around. It's an old steel transport truck out of Gary, Indiana. Guess we'll close the hood on down. So just a short video. We ain't doing nothing with this truck. Just wanted to snoop around a bit. So hope you guys enjoyed checking out an old truck. I don't think you can open the bunk from the outside. You can't.